This is going to be a quick video about what you need to create an Azure account, which is free. Microsoft offers up to $200 worth of credit for free if you create an account with them. There are some prerequisites. They're very simple. You don't need a lot to get those prerequisites together. Here's a quick look at what you need. You definitely need an email address. It doesn't have to be Microsoft email address, but Microsoft recommends that you have one of these Outlook, Hotmail, or a Microsoft Service email. And also you need a phone number to verify because they will do a text authentication or verification. And also you need a credit card in case you use those paid services. So let's go ahead and take a look at how you can create your first free account. So now let's go ahead and create the free account that we were just talking about. You can either go to Google and search for Azure Free Account, or you can type in the search bar over here. You can look for Azure Free Account, and it will take you to the azure.microsoft.com where you can create your free account today. So let's go ahead and take a look at how this works. As you can see, this is the Microsoft website where you can try Azure for free. Let's go ahead and sign up. Like I said, you would need an email address for this to sign up for Microsoft Azure. I have my Academy email address, which is tickskillsusa@gmail.com. And oh, sorry, it's taking me to the login page, but I need to create an account first. So here you go. It's a good example because we're working live on this. So this is, and it's asking me to create a password. Password can be anything, but let me create a simple password so I can remember. And click next. So it's asking me for what's my date of birth. I'll put something random over here. I'll put 1990 and then click next. So it's asking me for an email verification. That's why you need an email address. Here we go. I'm going to verify the email address and I put the code over here. Looks like I'm going to receive it. Yes, there we go. It's completed. Now let's go ahead and let's wait for this to sign in. As you can see, there's the email address that has been registered and it says you're creating your free Azure account. This account will be for 12 months and there are 55 plus services that you can use for free. And as I mentioned in the call, Microsoft gave you $200 worth of credit that you can use in the first 30 days. So let's go ahead and give it a name. Let's take a skills Academy. And let's put a phone number here and text me. So it's texting, it's going to text me for verification. I'm going to pause the video to do all this verification, and also I need to put my address. It has to be a valid address, otherwise it's going to fail. So I'm doing the verification. There you go. This part is done. And now I'll go ahead and pause the video until I complete this verification part. I'm good with the account. It says I can enable multi-factor authentication. As you can see, I can enable MFA on this account. It says enabling MFA can block more than 99% of identity attacks, which is great. I can do that. And let's go ahead and enable any sort of outsiders to gain access to your account. So verify your identity. I can just click. It will send me a code. Of course, this is two-factor authentication, which is great for security purposes. And let's go ahead and enter the account. We have enabled MFA on this account, and there we go. I'm signing in. It says confirming your information. It's redirecting me to the page, and it says you're ready to start with Azure. There you go. I can go ahead and navigate to the portal, and it should sign me in. Woohoo! Well, we have